All right, the next one is a windmill. You know what a windmill is? There's a little picture there. Can you see that? Did that come out? Windmill, okay. A windmill uses sails blown by the wind to turn an axle that allows a grinding stone to grind corn into meal with a force of 90 newtons. The windmill has sails of radius 6 meters, blown by a wind that exerts a force of 15 newtons on the sails. And the axle of the grindstone has a radius of 0.5 meters. It's very large as for an axle. You know what a bike axle is? It's probably like that, right? A bike axle. This axle is a half a meter. Okay? It's like this. That's quite an axle. Okay? What is the ideal mechanical advantage of the wheel? What is the actual mechanical advantage of the wheel? And what is the efficiency of the wheel? Just a quick equation would be for circumference equals 2 pi r. Just by the way, correct? Yes? So we need to answer these questions. All right? So what is Fi? What's Fi? The sails are exerting 15 newtons, right? The grindstone is 90 newtons. So this is 90 newtons, and this is 15 newtons. Is that correct? You see that? Based on this, that makes sense. The larger one is FO, the smaller one is FI. Yes? And then it says, this is 6 meters, and this is 0.5 meters, correct? That's not the DO and DI, that's just the radius, correct? So what is the actual radius? What is 2 pi, and it's 6 meters? And this is 2 pi, and this is 0.5 meters. You don't really have to do this, and I'll show you why in a minute. But what is 2 pi times 6, and then 2 pi times 0.5? What's the first one? What's 2 pi times 6?
37.7.
What is it?
37.7.
37.7. So we'll say 38
Yes.
meters. Okay. What is 2 pi times 0.5? What do you got? What is it? 3.14. Okay. So that's the data that we're given, correct? All right, a little reduction there. It says, what is the ideal mechanical advantage? So it would be would be 38 over 3.14 would be what? What's 38 times 3.14? What is it? 12? 12.1? Okay, we'll go with receiving figures. But you didn't really have to do this. I'm just saying. Because this is really 2 pi times 6 over 2 pi times 0.5, and that cancels. So you could have just said 6 over 0.5. Just want to, yeah. But make no mistake. 6 and 0.5 are not the DO and DI. I'm just reducing that by canceling the 2 pi. Okay? The distance is the circumference. Correct? 1 circumference. All right. B, what is the actual mechanical advantage? So it's going to be AMA equals FO over FI. And just do it in your head. What's 90 divided by 15? 6. So what's the efficiency? Approximately what? What is it? 0.5, right? I know, it's terrible, isn't it? So it's going to be 0.5. That's C. Right? This is B, and this is A. Okay? Easy? Does everybody follow? You okay with this? Lasana? Starting to get it? Yes? Okay. Okay, that was exercise 12. Did I say that before? That was exercise 12? Okay. Maybe.